The IT project management course at Global Knowledge really teaches the fundamental skills of project management as applied in an IT organization. So the case study that we use in the class is one that works for people if they're in software application development, if they're in database design, if they're in networking. You can apply it to all the different areas of IT and understand how it is a project that would affect you. So you're walking through the complete life cycle of the project. You're hands-on with activities. You're planning. You're doing controlling and executing. You're understanding closure. You're understanding how to deal with risk, how to do contingency plans, and really making sure that you can go back and manage an IT project in full. So the audience for our IT project management class is mixed. A lot of the times we have people that are fairly new to project management coming in, or who've done project management in marketing or finance or sales or operations, and they want to move over into the IT area and understand a little bit more about what are the differences, how do I handle the different types of risks or the vendor management issues that I might have there that I don't have in a more traditional marketing project or something like that. The other group that we have that comes into the class are people who have functionally been doing project management or by title doing it for a while and who want to refine their skills. They want to really catch up with the best practices that are out there today. They want to network with their peers and get best practices from those folks as well, and they want to learn from an experienced professional instructor. So the classes are mixed as far as an audience goes. All of the Global Knowledge classes in business training, project management, business analysis, are based on an idea of a business challenge. So what we did is we took people who have been doing this type of work for decades, and we asked them, what are the normal challenges that you face as a project manager? And when they identified those, we put those as part of the class. And we put those challenges in front of the students, and we make them face the challenge, and we give them the tools to overcome the challenge. So for example, we talk about stakeholder management and how you can't get stakeholders to participate. And we give you tools that can help engage with your stakeholders and how you can get them to actually participate in your project and help you out. So you're spending about 75% of your time doing exercises, case studies, conversations, role plays, making sure that you're honing those skills that you need back on the job. Global Knowledge has a different philosophy as it comes to instructors. We use predominantly contractors because we want them to go out and do consulting and be back in the real world. It's a little bit of a pain for us because it means people might go off podium for 3 months or 6 months at a time to take a consulting engagement, but when they walk back into the classroom, they can bring that professional experience back into our students and say, this is what I just learned doing this cloud implementation or doing this BYOD implementation over here or rolling this new product out for this major home improvement store or something like that. So all of those things make our instructors different. They're not just educators. They're experienced practitioners who are still actually out there doing the work. The IT project management course comes with our standard kit, which includes a book, it includes all of the slides, it includes an exercise guide, the workbook that you use associated with those exercises as well. And in addition, we give you sort of a bonus take-home item, which is a CD-ROM that has 120 different templates that are Word and Excel. All of these templates are practical things that you'll need to use as a project manager. So they have a project charter, they have a workbook that you can track all your activities, they have a risk log, they have change management plans and processes, they have stakeholder analysis grids, and you can take those back, you can brand them for your company, you can tweak them and make them your own. It really is something to help you jumpstart your effort as a project manager.